Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School at Campus Islamabad. And today I am doing my movie review. And my topic is what I learned from watching The Theory of Everything. I hope you all are doing well. I would like to share my review of the inspiring movie, The Theory of Everything, and the valuable lesson I learned from watching it. The Theory of Everything is based on the life of the world renowned physicist Stephen Hawking. The film follows his journey from being a brilliant university student to becoming one of the greatest scientist minds in history. While living with ALS, a disease that gradually affected his ability to move and speak, despite these challenges, he continued to explore the mysteries of the universe and made groundbreaking contribution to science. The first and most important lesson I learned from this movie is that our limitation do not define our potential. Our and I learned from this movie is that limitation do not define our potential. Stephen Hawking was diagnosed with a serious illness at a young age, and many people believed he would not be able to achieve much. However, he refused to let his condition stop him from pers- pursuing his
पर दिल
passion
को
for
क्लास थी
science.
ना.
Another valuable lesson is the importance of never giving up on your dream. Throughout the movie, Stephen continues his research despite physical challenges that become more difficult over time. He proves that success is not about having a perfect life, but about making the best use of the opportunity we have. I also learned the powerful of education curiosity. Stephen Hawking consistently asked questions about the universe, time, and black hole. His curiosity led him to discoveries that changed the way scientists understand the cosmos. This reminds us that the learning never ends. So another meaningful lesson is the importance of support from family and loved ones. The film shows how his family has those close to him played an important role in the during different stages of his life. So the movie also teaches us about resilience and adapting to change. As Stephen's condition progressed, he had to find new ways to communicate and continue his work instead of focusing on what he had lost. Overall, I found this the theory of everything, to be an inspiring and thought-provoking film. It teaches us that knowledge has a power of change the world. Resilience helps us overcome adversity, curiosity leads to discovery, and the human spirit can remain strong even in the face of extraordinary challenges. So, this is my movie review. Hope you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad Khuda.